afternoon, children. This is Hanuman sir here. In the previous class, we are discussing about the pair of linear equation in two variable. So under exercise 3.5, we have second question. No? So that is verbal sum. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. Right? So I'll repeat the question. A fraction becomes 1 by 3. A fraction becomes 1 by 3, and when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. Right? So we know that what do you mean by fraction? Yes, a fraction consists of two terms. One is numerator, another one is a denominator. So here let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Yes, a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is added, when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. Right? So now I am going to do the sum. See, I am going to solve the sum. See, let the numerator, let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. A fraction is, therefore the fraction be x by y, therefore the fraction be x by y. Right? Yes. So according to question, see, according to sum, according to problem, a fraction becomes 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. So that is x minus y is equals to x minus y divided by y equals 1 by 3. So by doing cross multiplication, we get 3 into x minus 1. 3 into x minus 1 equals y into 1 y. So 3 into x, 3x plus into minus, minus 3 1s are 3 equals y. Right? So therefore 3x by transposing we get plus y becomes minus y equals 3. So minus 3 towards y towards RHS. So we cut to plus 3, minus 3 becomes plus 3. So call it as equation number 1. Call it as equation number 1. Right? Yes. So next comes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Right? So according to second question, according to second, this is case 1. According to second condition, so the second case, see, when a numerator, a fraction becomes 1 by 4, a fraction becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. So that is x divided by y plus 8. So now by doing cross multiplication, we get see, 4 into x, 4x is equals to y plus 8. So 4x by transposing plus y becomes minus y, then remaining is 8. So call it as equation number 2. Right? So by elimination method, so on comparing these two equations, we get, on comparing these two equations, see, this is 3x minus y equals 3 and 4x minus y equals 8 by elimination method. So by doing elimination method, see, by taking opposite sign, see, this is minus, yes, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So when we subtract 3x from 4y, we get minus x. So plus x minus x gets cancelled. So minus 8 plus 3, when we subtract 3 from 8, we get minus 5. So minus minus gets cancelled, therefore x is equals to 5. So that is numerator. Right? Because we take numerator as x, so the numerator we get 5. Numerator is 5. So substitute in equation number 1. substitute in equation number 1. So we get as 3 into, see, x minus y equals 3. So 3 into, where x is 5 minus y equals 3. So 3 5 is 15 minus y equals 3. So by transposing we get y minus 5 becomes a plus, minus y becomes a plus y. So 15 minus, so when we transpose, so plus 3 from RHS to LHS, so plus 3 becomes a minus 3. Therefore y equals 15 minus 3 is 12. 15 minus 3 is 12. Therefore the fraction, therefore the required fraction, therefore the required fraction is 5 by 12. Is this understood, children? Yes. Okay, shall we go for next one? Okay, children.